Welcome to our culinary journey where we dive deep into the heart of traditional flavors with our detailed guide on making le Khal. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious beginner, this guide will walk you through every step of creating this delightful dish that boasts rich flavors and a cultural heritage. Have you ever wanted to impress your friends and family with a dish that's not only delicious but also steeped in tradition? Look no further. In this guide, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of le Khal, a cherished recipe known for its exquisite blend of spices and ingredients. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind this mouth-watering dish and share tips that will elevate your cooking game. In this comprehensive tutorial, we will cover 1. Ingredients you'll need: fresh herbs and spices. Get ready to stock up on ingredients like cumin, coriander, and saffron. Proteins and vegetables. We'll discuss the best choices for meat or vegetarian options that make le Khal a versatile dish. Cooking tools. A brief overview of the essential kitchen tools that will make your cooking experience smoother. 2. Step-by-step cooking process. Preparation. Learn how to prepare your ingredients for maximum flavor. Cooking techniques. We'll demonstrate the traditional methods for cooking le Khal, ensuring every bite is packed with authenticity. Plating and serving suggestions. Discover creative ways to present your dish that will wow your guests. 3. Variations of le Khal. Explore different regional adaptations of le Khal. For example, the Moroccan version that incorporates dried fruits for a sweet twist, or the spicy Algerian variant that brings the heat. Key points. Flavor profiles. Understand how the combination of spices enhances the taste of le Khal. Cultural significance. Learn about the history and cultural importance of this dish in various communities. Cooking tips. Pro tips for avoiding common mistakes and ensuring your le Khal turns out perfectly every time. Benefits of following this guide. Gain confidence in your cooking skills as you follow along with our easy-to-understand instructions. Impress your loved ones with a dish that tells a story and celebrates culinary heritage. Expand your culinary repertoire with a dish that's perfect for any occasion, from family dinners to festive gatherings. Call to action. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and any variations you try, sharing your experience with making le Khal. Enjoy this flavorful adventure, and let's create something amazing together.